This 2024 Dutchmen Aspen Trail Loft 260THLOFT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Port Charlotte, Florida, 33980 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bath, loft. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.